Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy Peasy English. In today's powerful and very practical episode, we are going to focus on something that every English learner truly wants: speaking naturally. The title of today's lesson is Real-Life English Conversations to Speak English Naturally, English Speaking Practice. Many learners study English for years. They memorize grammar rules, they learn vocabulary lists, they pass written exams, but when it's time to speak in real life, they freeze. Their mind goes blank. They translate in their head. They feel nervous. If this sounds like you, don't worry. Today, we are going to change that step by step. First, let's understand an important truth. Speaking naturally does not mean speaking perfectly. It means speaking comfortably. It means responding automatically without translating every word. Natural English is simple, connected, and real. Strategy number 1. Learn English in chunks, not single words. For example, instead of memorizing the word busy, learn the phrase, I've been really busy lately. Instead of memorizing tired, learn, I'm exhausted today. Native speakers use phrases, not isolated vocabulary. Now let's start with a very common real-life conversation, small talk. Conversation example 1. At work. Colleague, hey, how's your day going? You, it's going pretty well, just a bit busy. How about you? Same here. I've had meetings all morning. I know the feeling. Notice how simple and natural this sounds. Short responses, friendly tone, no complicated grammar. Here's your tip. Always return the question. When someone asks you something, answer briefly and then ask them back. This keeps the conversation flowing naturally. Now let's move to conversation example 2, at a café. Barista, what can I get for you? You, I'll have a medium latte, please. Barista, anything else? You, that's all, thank you. Simple, clear, confident. Now let's practice adding personality. Barista, how's your day going? You, it's been a long day, so I definitely need this coffee. That small extra sentence makes your English sound natural and human. Strategy number 2, use natural fillers. Native speakers often say, well, actually, to be honest, I mean, let me think. These fillers give you time to think and make your speech sound more relaxed. For example, friend, do you like your new job? You, well, to be honest, it's challenging, but I'm learning a lot. Now let's talk about emotional expression in real-life conversations. Conversation example 3, talking about your feelings. Friend, you look tired. You, yeah, I didn't sleep well last night. Friend, everything okay? You, yeah, just a lot on my mind. Notice how natural this is. You don't need advanced vocabulary to express real feelings. Now let's discuss a common mistake. Many learners speak in textbook English. For example, I am very happy to meet you. In real life, people often say, nice to meet you. Great to finally meet you. So strategy number 3, listen to real conversations. Watch interviews, podcasts, daily vlogs. Pay attention to how people actually speak. Now let's practice a longer real-life scenario, meeting someone new. Person, so what do you do? You, I work in marketing. What about you? Person, I'm a teacher. You, oh, nice. How long have you been teaching? See the pattern? Short answer, return question, follow-up question. That's natural conversation flow. Now let's look at a case example. Rena has studied English for 5 years. She understands movies, but she struggles to speak. She realizes her problem. She only studied grammar exercises, so she changes her method. Every day, she practices 10 minutes of role-play conversations. She records herself. She listens again. After 3 months, she notices something amazing. She no longer translates in her head. She responds faster. Her confidence grows. Why? Because speaking is a skill, not just knowledge. Now let's practice conversation in a problem situation. Conversation example 4. Returning a product. You, hi, I'd like to return this item. Staff, is there a problem with it? You, yes, it doesn't work properly. Staff, do you have the receipt? You, yes, here it is. Clear, polite, effective. Strategy number 4. Practice common life situations. Think about your daily life, ordering food, asking for help, talking to coworkers, making plans. Practice those situations specifically. Now let's talk about speaking speed. Many learners try to speak fast to sound fluent. That is a mistake. Fluency is smoothness, not speed. Speak at a comfortable pace. Pause naturally. Conversation example 5. Making plans. Friend, are you free this weekend? You, I think so. What do you have in mind? Friend, maybe we could watch a movie. You, sounds good to me. Notice the phrase, what do you have in mind? That's a very natural chunk. Learn phrases like that. Now let's practice agreeing and disagreeing naturally. Agreeing, exactly. I totally agree. That's true. Good point. Disagreeing politely, I'm not sure about that. I see your points, but I think that's interesting, but I think these expressions make conversations smooth. Now let's imagine a real challenge. You are in an international meeting. People speak English, but you feel nervous. But instead of staying silent, you say, I'd like to add something, or can I share my opinion? Short, brave, powerful. Confidence grows with action. Here is your 7-day natural speaking challenge. Day 1, practice greetings and small talk. Day 2, practice ordering food and shopping. Day 3, practice talking about your day. Day 4, practice expressing opinions. Day 5, practice telling a short story. Day 6, record yourself speaking for 5 minutes. Day 7, review and repeat. Consistency is more important than perfection. Now let's practice storytelling, because storytelling makes you sound advanced naturally. Example: last weekend I tried a new restaurant. At first, I wasn't sure if I'd like it, but the food turned out to be amazing. I'll definitely go back. Notice the structure: beginning, middle, result. Simple but effective. Another important tip: use contractions. Say I'm instead of I am. Say I've instead of I have. Say don't instead of do not. Contractions make your English sound natural. Now let's talk about mindset. Many learners are afraid of making mistakes, but native speakers make mistakes too. Communication is about connection, not perfection. Imagine this. 6 months from now, you meet a foreign friend. You speak comfortably, you laugh, you tell stories, you express opinions. That version of you starts with daily practice today. Real-life English conversations are not complicated. They are simple, emotional, interactive, and human. So speak every day, even alone. Talk to yourself. Describe your day. Practice dialogues. Shadow native speakers. Repeat phrases. Remember this sentence: simple English spoken confidently is powerful English. You don't need big words. You need real practice. Thank you for practicing with Easy Peasy English today. Keep going, keep speaking, and little by little, you will sound more and more natural every day. See you in the next episode.